Good morning, Nick here from Vital Facilities. I've just arrived at a school where one of our teams are deep cleaning through the holidays, school holidays, and we've been working on something. It's quite an exciting development that I want to share with you today. So we're just going to go inside. It's a self-cleaning classroom system. Let me show you. Yeah, thought so. Don't be daft. But this is what a lot of schools feel like. They've got classrooms that are supposed to be cleaned, but you walk in and you think, has anyone actually been here? Bins full, bits missed, quick once over. That's not a cleaning problem, that's a standards problem. At Vital, we don't rely on magic. We rely on clear standards, proper supervision and proof that the job's actually being done. Because if this is what you're relying on, you might be waiting a while. If your cleaning feels like an April Fool's joke all year round, you know where we are.